Hi, I'm Coach Tony De La Cruz of the Alaska Aces. Thank you for joining us on this year's Alaska Fortified Powercamp Home Court. Before we get to our drills, we have a word of the day, and that word is hard work. What does that mean? Exactly how it sounds. Your ability to do your best no matter the circumstance. So if you're stuck at home, you have not that much equipment, you find your way to do your best, and that's what hard work is. Our Lakas drills for today are ball handling and dribbling, and our special coach, Jvee Casio. Jvee, you ready?
Hi, I'm Jvee Casio, point guard for the Alaska Aces. Ball handling routine. At first, you can go slow. Then, if you gain control of the ball, go fast. And remember, eyes forward. Are you ready? Let's go!
The first drill is around the waist. Make sure to stand tall and go one direction with your eyes up and your core tight. After finishing the reps, go the other direction. Next, let's move up to the head. Remember to move the ball around your face and your head, not your head around the ball. Gain confidence by going slow, then picking up the pace. Next is around the knees. Remember to keep your butt down, your back straight, and try to keep your eyes up. After you finish your reps going one way, go the other. Next is figure 8. Let's go behind the knees first. Again, always keep a low base. After you've gone backwards, now go forwards around the front of the knee.
For the dribbling routine, remember to be in your stance, butt low, back straight. You can go slow, but then fast, and remember to keep your eyes forward. Are you ready? Let's go!
Start low, butt down, back straight, eyes up. Remember, dribble with your fingertips. After you finish with your right hand, transfer to your left hand. As you gain confidence, you'll pick up speed. Next is the crossover. Get an even balanced stance and get a rhythm back and forth, left to right. Next is the forward-backward dribble. Move your hand over the basketball, kind of like a yo-yo, pushing the ball forward and backwards. Again, this takes practice. Don't get discouraged, start slow, gain confidence. Next is the in and out dribble. Try to move the ball in a circular motion, controlling it, but not lifting it. Notice how Jvee continues to stay low and he's in an athletic stance. Next comes the pound, in and out dribble, crossover. Pound, in and out, crossover. Pound, in and out, crossover. Again, this is all about rhythm. Get your rhythm, get your confidence, and in no time, you'll be dribbling up a storm.
Great job, guys! Thank you for joining today's drills. Remember to drink Alaska Fortified and eat a balanced diet.
And now for our Talas quiz. Do you remember which drill this was? Thanks, Jvee. Remember, have fun with it, work your hardest, and give it your best. We'll see you next time on Alaska Fortified Powercamp Home Court. Thanks for joining us.